VanEssa and Kombilife. Take a look at this new Transporter T6.1 TDI 340 short wheelbase. Bit special, it's a 6-speed manual, very rare in Australia, and we couldn't resist jumping onto this particular transporter and decking it out in a particularly special way. You'll see T6, it's a 2-wheel drive by the way, but we have upgraded the rims to the 17-inch rims and powder coated them, so they're stronger 17-inch commercial rims. Still has the standard tyres, but we can happily upgrade these tyres to something like the Kumho 235/65 17s, as we've done on this California. That will make this particularly capable, particularly with its front electronic differential lock and the manual gearbox, giving you very fine control over speed. We've added the Kombilife decals. We've added the black B pillar to match in with the windows. So this vehicle came with no windows behind the B pillars. We've added a window on each side. This one with opening window, other one is fixed. We've also added into it the Fiamma F40 awning, a particularly nice awning, very low profile, from the very well-known Fiamma company, specifically for short wheelbase vans. We wanted to show off the left-hand mounting on this, which matches most transporters which have a left-hand sliding door. Inside, we've equipped it with a bed system and a slide-out kitchen system we'll get to in a minute, as well as 2 swivel seats. I'll quickly swivel one of them, and the driver's seat also swivels. So I'll swing this around. So we can see here inside the transporter a bed system. It's a bit special because it's very low, this bed system. That also means when I can actually sit up in bed in the transporter. So despite the fact it has no pop-top roof or mid-roof or high roof, standard roof, I can still sit up in bed with this low kitchen system in the vehicle. The kitchen system and bed system can remain permanently set up or taken out, and it gives us a bit of extra storage underneath here as well. It can be folded back. We can lift this up, fold it back, and fold this part back here as well to create additional load capacity if we're using this for other purposes. We've also added additional ventilation into the vehicle. There is a remote control here, and we can now open the roof hatch. It's now opening and turning the fan on. We can see the roof hatch opening. That's all automatic, all linked up to our lithium battery system, which is under the driver's seat. So you can see from outside the vehicle, do a quick overhead shot of the roof there perhaps. You'll see that the roof hatch is open, and we can have this fan blow air into the vehicle or extract air out of the vehicle. Speaking of fans, we have also added just back here the Carframo 3-speed gimbal fan, so it can move that in all directions as well. So it's on a gimbal there, so we can move that around, so we can actually get a really nice airflow through the vehicle, coupled with the opening side window there as well. Under here we have the 50 amp hour lithium battery. Check out some of our battery videos, we'll put a link on the screen there. But we also have an Anderson connector for the solar panel, additional 12 volt socket here, additional 12 volt sockets back there, and that is great for the fridge. We've got the pack bags in. Pack bags are removable, absolutely removable, and also we have 5 of the LED lights throughout the vehicle as well. And we'll just have a look back here at the slide out kitchen system. We actually have a significantly sized custom slide out kitchen system here. So we have large drawers, utensil drawer, cooker, and the 35 litre fridge, and twin water tanks giving us 26 litres of water, twin sink bowls, and optional shower attachment here as well. We've also equipped it with the table. So we have the table here. You'll see a few photos online as well about that, with a table pedestal, and that can be set up inside the cabin if you wish to dine inside the cabin. Curtains have been fitted, and one of the things we're most proud of in this particular vehicle is a full, very serious interior lining. There's sound deadening, Polymax R2.0 insulation, and a twin tone interior lighting with deluxe carpet Everything is trimmed, all carefully trimmed throughout, the metal pieces, the timber pieces, etc. All really nicely trimmed to give a really cozy feel inside the transporter. So there you have it, TDI 340 short wheelbase transporter, T6.1. It's got about 1800 Ks on the clock now, and still has its balance of its 5-year warranty, etc. If you'd like to know more about it, please get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.